reliever, man.
2 Chainz.
Money's the motivation, money's the conversation. You on vacation, we getting paid, so we on vacation. I did it for the fam. It's whatever we had to do, it's just who I am. Yeah, it's the life I chose. Shots in the dark, one eye closed, and we got it cooking like a one-eye stove. You can catch me kissing my girl with both eyes closed. Perfecting my passion, thanks for asking. Couldn't slow down, so we had to crash it. You use plastic, we bout cash. I see some people out here that we go past. Yeah,
I never fear death or dying. I only fear never trying. I am whatever I am. Only God can judge me now.
one shot, everything rides on tonight. Even if I got 3 strikes, I'ma go for it. This moment, we own it, and I'm not to be played with because it can get dangerous. See these people I ride with. This moment, we own it. And the same one that I ride with be the same one that I die with. Put it all out on the line with. You look up for me, you can buy with, but a new car or the crown with. But I'm new broad, there's a fine chick, and the what is what I'm down with. Ain't no way around it. What you say? Tell me what you say. Working hard, ripping for my dog, do